Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see the postgreSQL functions. The contents are declaring function parameters, syntax to create function and examples. So start with the declaring function parameters. Function can accept and return value to call function parameters or arguments. Parameters passed to function are named with the identifiers $1, $2, etc. That means whatever we are passing to the function, it will automatically take as $1, $2 up to $n. Optionally, aliases can be declared for the $n parameter names for the increasing readability. Either the alias or the numeric identifier can then be used to refer to the parameter value. For increasing readability, we are using aliases. That means we are giving the name to the variables. That means for A to $1, B to $2. Likewise, there are two ways to create an aliases. The preferred way is to give a name to the parameter in the create function command. The syntax is create or replace function. Whatever is written in the capital letter are the keywords, and whatever are written in the square bracket are the optional part. If we write the or replace keyword, it will, if the function is already exists, then or replace keyword replace the function with the new name. Create or replace function, function name. Function name is a user-defined identifier. Arguments. We can pass the different type of arguments to the function. Returns, return data type as. Declare. In the declare section, we are declaring or initializing variables which will be used in the function body. Then begin section. In begin section, we are writing the function body, that means the executable part of the function. Then return variable name or a value. Then end language PLPG SQL. The PLPG SQL is enclosed in the single quote. Then the semicolon, where function name specifies the name of the function, or replace option allows modifying an existing function. Argument can be type of in, out and in out. In, by default, the parameters type of any parameter in postgreSQL is in parameter. We can pass in parameters to the function, but you cannot get them back as a part of the result. Out. The out parameter is part of the function argument list, and you can get the result back as a part of the result. To define out parameters, we use out keyword. In out. The in out parameter is the combination in and out parameter. It means that the caller can pass the value to the function. The function then changes the argument and passes value back as a part of the result. The function must contain a return statement. Return clause specifies that data type we are going to return from the function. The return data type can be a base, composite, or domain, or can reference the type of a table column. The return value of a function cannot left undefined. Syntax is return space expression semicolon. Function body contains the executable part. The as keyword is used for creating a standalone function. PLPG SQL is the name of the language that the function is implemented in. For backward compatibility, the name can be enclosed by single quotes. So now we will see the practically. Okay, start with the example create or replace function. the function name is, I will pass two integer values to this function for addition. And this will function again retains the integer value as a result. So in this example, I will use $1, $2 variables. In next example, I will show you the example for the alias. So in this declare section, I will use C integer. I will use the variable C as an integer. In the begin section, I will only add those variables in the C. That is A plus B. Sorry, that is $1 plus $2. Okay, and this function will return the value of C, and the function is end. So this single quote is completed over here, and the language is PLPGSQL. Okay, now I will copy these functions and paste in the terminal, then see the result. You can see here the function is created. So how to call this function? Using the select command, we can call this function select under the function name and the parameters. Okay, the output is 30 as expected. So see the demo for the alias. So there is a referred way is to alias in the create statement only. So how to alias it? A space integer, then B space integer. We are replacing the $1 as A and $2 as a B. So I can replace here also. Now I again copy this function and paste in the terminal. So the output is the function is created. Then the select function demo, and again I will pass the variables or the values that 10 and 20, the output is 30. And the second way is to alias is what? I'm not using A and B variable in the create statement. Instead of this, I will alias in the declare section. So how to use alias keyword? A space alias for $1, and B is alias for $2. Okay, now copy this function and paste in the terminal. Now the function is created. So again I will call this function, the output is here. I hope you understand the PostgreSQL functions. The advanced feature we will see in the next video. Thank you.